2001, stage 2 ko, I had to remove a large part of my right breast kasi nandun yung tumor. And sinabi po sa akin na cancerous siya. And 30 years old pa lang ako noon. So ang feeling ko, ang bata-bata ko pa, mamamatay na ako. After my first chemotherapy, where I lost all my immune system, ang average po ng immunity ng white blood cells sa katawan ng tao is between 15 and 20,000. Ang akin po, bumagsak ng negative. As in, walang-wala na. Ubos. In fact, so much so na kapag may pumasok na nurse na may sipon or nanggaling sa isang restaurant na meron siyang hinawakan na bagay na may virus or whatever, pwedeng ipasa sa akin, for sure I'll die. Nakapag-laptop na ako, and that's where I started to research for myself, what is cancer? How can I help my immune system? Lahat ng kino-complain ko sa doktor, alam nyo, pag nagkikimo kayo, may 100 problems that come with it. Sabi nila, chemo is supposed to cure your cancer. But they don't tell you that it kills your immunity. They don't tell you that one of the major side effects is pounding headaches every day. So, di ba habang nagagamot ka for your cancer, binibigyan ka naman ng ibang mga problema. So pag nag-complain ako ng masakit ang ulo ko na para akong may migraine, magdadala ulit another gamot. Na yung another gamot naman na yun, nakakasuka. So the whole day, nagsusuka ka. Okay, tapos bibigyan ka naman another medicine to cover naman din pagsusuka. So ano siya, para siyang domino effect. Until I really thought, there has to be a natural way. Kasi puro gamot, puro pharma ang binibigay sa akin. Eventually, ang naisip ko, my God, magsasuffer sobra yung liver ko and my kidneys. Puro gamot ang binibigay. How will I be able to heal even if I overcome cancer? Okay? What about the rest of my body? What about my kidneys and my liver and my heart, which has gone through so much because of the chemotherapy? How am I going to recover from that? That's when I started to do all the research online. How to boost your immunity naturally. And you know, honestly, it's amazing, ang daming ways na mag-boost ng immunity natin naturally. Sleep is the #1 way. You have to rest. Okay? Sinasabi nila, the only time your body heals is when you are sleeping. Did you know that? Di ba, iniisip mo, relax, beach, okay yan, di ba? That doesn't matter. You can relax in the beach. That's enjoyment. That's not healing. Healing is sleeping. It is so important. But there are other ways you can help with products like our barley. Ang daming product na pwedeng gamitin. But did you know, the #1 in the whole world that God created Himself is barley. Yes. Kaya process of elimination, isa-isa kong ni-research yan. Imagine, I had 9 months in that bubble to discover what God really created that is the best for our immune system. I realized, isa-isa, malunggay, wow, taas ng ano niyan, healing powers niyan. Ampalaya, taas din ng healing powers niyan. Guyabano, wheatgrass, but above them all is barley. Above them all. It's so amazing kasi yung highest niyan next to barley is wheatgrass. And yet yung wheatgrass is only half as powerful as barley. Half! So everything else is below that. Berries are very high also. Okay? Pero the best way to boost your immunity is through barley. And so, since alam ko na kung anong barley, kung ano yung pinaka-best way to boost my immune system, next step, aling barley. Daming klaseng barley from all over the world. Okay, meron India, may China. Actually, barley can be grown in any cold country. May US, okay, everywhere. New Zealand. The best is from Australia. And only one place in Australia grows barley. Why? Because the weather, the soil, the way it is planted and harvested, the way it is treated in the plant, so that the integrity and the purity of the product itself, of the plant is contained 100%. So pagdating po sa packaging natin, everything, until it gets to your table, until you open it and put it in your glass, it is still 100% there, as if it was the day they harvested it itself. That is how amazing our barley is. Now, how does barley affect people? We're not a pharma company. We don't do a million tests. We believe in what God says. He promises certain things, and try it. What have you got to lose? What now? That was 2000. 17 years later, I would be here with you.
Yes.
Iba magplano si Lord. Do not assume to know. Grabe, for me, kaya ako very emotional kasi it's so real for me. It was a time when I really thought natapos na yung buhay ko. And then, every single time meron ganito na gathering or yung launch ng I Am natin, di ba, yung sobrang grateful ako na, wow God, binigay mo pa rin sa akin itong opportunity na makashare. Even if the worst thing happened to me in my life, na because of that cancer, because of that experience, andito ako ngayon. Alam nyo, after my first chemo, which I was in that isolation for so long, on my second chemo, di na ako na-isolate. Yung immune system ko, which took 21 days to recover from the first chemo. That's why I am proud to tell you, grabe ang galing ng barley natin. Kasi hindi lang po sa akin dapat manggaling yung believe ninyo. Ako lang po ay testimony. This thing that you see in front of you is the reason why I'm living proof that it works.